Welcome back to the Ghana Travel and Event channel. In this video, we are going to see food journey at Voyager of the Seas Sapphire Dining Room. There are several restaurants and cafes that you can choose from. I'm sure you will be confused about where to take your dining, especially this is your first time taking a cruise. Same goes with us. After check-in, we haven't decided where to take our lunch. But one of the ship's crew suggests us to take our lunch at Sapphire Dining Room. So we go there directly. It is a buffet all-you-can-eat lunch. It's a good thing to start my travel. There's not a lot of people because we are the first batch. Finish my meal. Next, we take some dessert. There is a lot of dessert choice here. I will just take this bread on mushroom soup. Ended with black coffee. Let's see what I eat for dinner. You can come with or without reservation, but I suggest that you reserve, especially if the cruise is crowded. For dinner, we have been given a menu, so we can choose starter, entries, and desserts. Actually, you can choose more than one if you can finish it. All meal comes with bread. The ship's engine is running, so there's a little bit of tremble. For starters, I choose escargot because the waiter said it is the favorite here. And my wife eats mushroom soup. For entry, I choose artichoke. Just want to try something new. And fried boneless chicken. For dessert, I pick strawberry cheesecake. This low-fat berry bliss is very good. You can tell the waiter if you or your family is having a birthday. Then they will sing a birthday song for you. Let's go to my second night dinner. Beside the bread, we order vegetable puff and mushroom soup as my starter. For entry, I chose this delicious garlic tiger prawn and Asian barbecue sauce. For dessert, I picked strawberry Romanov and tiramisu cake. All the food is great. If you are going with your family, you can order savory food so you can try it all. My favorite one is mushroom soup for starters, garlic tiger shrimp for entry, and low-fat berry bliss for dessert. What do you think about the food? Share with us in the comment below. If you have questions, you can also comment below. I will try to answer as much as I can. This is the 5th video of the cruise series. You can check the first video about the room and ship tour in the link above, the second video about activities and games in the link above, Ice Odyssey show in the link above, dance and singing performance at Voyager of the Seas in the link above. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified when I posted the new video. See you next week.